See, I can't imagine. We went over 4 of those. When you're on a high alert and all people to your stations, I can't imagine hopping over these. I just can't. Going fast. So here's a trainer. So this is Pearl Harbor exhibit here. Not thinking. Huh. It's boiler room. So here's how to tie different knots. And look at this board, all done with knots. All different knots. That is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that. Done with all different knots. That is really cool. And you can practice your knot tying skills. They have little cords for you to practice. LMS Akeki. I don't know how you say it, sorry. And the show is going to start in 2 minutes. Artifacts from Pearl Harbor. USS Arizona BB-39. This is your water break. So here's all the different ships before and after. Jeez. This again, all made out of knots. State of Texas. The cross, the anchor. So here's your beds. So I read a fact that the Lexington has more beds than the casinos do. That's funny. Or than a casino. I don't remember which casino it was now. But your lockers and more beds. I mean, if you don't sleep well with snores, good luck for you.
And welcome to the Lexington CV-2 exhibit on board the USS Lexington CV-16. This exhibit honors the previous Lexington CV-2, known as the Lady Lex. The USS Lexington CV-2 was sunk at the Battle of the Coral Sea, and the decks you now stand upon were named in her honor. The Lady Lex, along with the USS Yorktown, ambushed Japan's Imperial fleet as it sailed through the Coral Sea, thereby thwarting the invasion of Port Moresby and preserving the safety of Northern Australia. The CV-2 was a pioneer in her role as one of the first aircraft carriers of the U.S. Navy and established world speed records.
And now we're going to go on tour number 3. So we're roughly halfway done with the ship here. Going up more stairs. Ooh, this one is steeper. So, these are medals awarded to former captains of USS Lexington. Please do not sit on the couches. These are original couches belonging to Captain USS Lexington while the ship was still in service. To preserve their history, please do not sit on these couches. Thank you for visiting the USS Lexington Museum. Huh. So I guess this is like the captain's area.
Hi, welcome to my in-port cabin. We're just sitting down for dinner.
Oh, cool.
As the captain, I don't get to spend much time down here.
That's cool.
When the ship's underway. I'm required to be on the bridge or spend time in my at-sea cabin located just behind the bridge. My responsibilities don't go away whether I'm eating or sleeping. So as such, I may be required to get on the bridge on a moment's notice. And from my at-sea cabin, I can be in my captain's chair in less than 2 minutes. You can see my at-sea cabin if you take Route 1 to the flight deck and then proceed to the navigation bridge. One of my other responsibilities for the United States Navy is to be an ambassador. As such, I'm required to host formal dinners for visiting dignitaries and VIPs. Tonight I'm hosting the Admiral and his staff in a formal dinner. As you can see from the place settings, we are getting ready to eat. I would ask you to join us, but if you
So this is the Admiral's quarters.
The Japanese, desperate to deny us the runways to Tokyo, bring up 9 carriers. Admiral Mark Fletcher now has 15 carriers, light and heavy, including Enterprise. This time we are ready. History will call these 2 days the Battle of the Philippine Sea, but to the men of the Enterprise will always be the great Mariana's Championship.
CV-6, the Enterprise.
The enemy fleet air arm is virtually destroyed. Most of our planes return safely. But now, there's always a price for victory. In August, the strikes Civilian.
Tell you what, my friend's nephew is in the Navy, and I got more respect for him now. Oh, hello. And more respect for him now than what I did. I'm sorry, I didn't know how bad, like how close quarters these were. It's not that I never had respect, it's just I just didn't realize how much close the quarters were, and this is hard. And then how hot it is.
Welcome to the VB-19 Ready Room exhibit. This compartment has been restored to create the wartime atmosphere present in 1944. The purpose of the ready room on an aircraft carrier was multifunctional. This compartment would act as a staging area where pilots would stand by after being briefed concerning a mission's objective, or to be debriefed after a mission was flown.
So that was my day at the USS Lexington, and with that, thank you for watching my video and have a magical day.